Mama wakwaba meeting ede adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Ghana. They solved Dumsor. They solved Dumsor. Bashiru. They solved Dumsor. Meanwhile, according to their trade minister, Komenda sugar factory had to be shut down less than a week of operation because of the Dumsor. Why are you people doing this to that party called NDC? Seriously. Is this the Probity and Accountability Party? NDC. Probity and Accountability. Any? Moti Spio Garbrah. Spio Garbrah said, factory now, ye be a ya dear chain ya ye shut it down. And yes, I shut it down. There be amu ye sugar. Name boom, they are having challenges. And number one of the challenges what? Dumsor power supply. So they were using generators. So how many generators was NDC going to need to power the so-called 1,000 factories they built? Hello? Seriously? Guys, sorry, my sound, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me. Ye bisa ekos yo Garbrah say. Eba ne saying, utie. Eba ne saying. Ana factory amwe biye. Na ene ya mo ba ya mo se factory no ya den ya tum. Ana o chire mu say. The enti ama ya to factory no mu no. Eye Dumsor. The same man said they built 1,000 factories. Meanwhile, they can't even power one. Please, are you guys here? I might be MPP, but I'm speaking something that is a fundamental truth. Don't let politicians play with us, whether MPP or NDC. Please. Whether MPP or NDC, he built 1,000 factories. But his own mouth is telling you that the one Komenda sugar factory, they couldn't power it. He blamed it on Dumsor, according to the trade minister. Then, you go and take NDC communication. Why this factory was shut down, they say it was technical difficulties, machines need banana and kakra. When you call Captain Smart or when you Google Captain Smart's interview about Komenda sugar factory, unim do okay or say if you na how much be fine sugar no. And no name say engineers ne no problem kakra bem no kra no say by 2 weeks pepepe ye be solve. We are in 2023. Okay? Komenda sugar factory has now started producing molasses or refining molasses. Okay? And it was done under the leadership of Alan Kwedu Chiremantin, an NPP trade minister. These are facts. You cannot insult when these things are being pointed. These are facts. But let's listen to your minister.
Let's get consistent power supply from the national grid. The Komenda sugar factory was commissioned by...
As we speak, Utie, I say, as they pay NDC for it, they sweet as facts and kwa. Oh yes, we will let them learn. These guys, me see about force one for them to start speaking the truth. As we speak, what is the unemployment rate in Ghana? Still better than what John Dramani Mahama left. 2022, unemployment rate 3.87. 2023, as we speak now, they are expecting, say, by the end of 2023, unemployment would peak at a percentage point of 5. It is a Samija Fika will say unemployment rate was better under JM than ASA facts na me dia cho me do koya ko 2008 dia president Kufuor Jama omo ansana onyame ya adomo a o china me ho to me den na me ba ye the other indicators ebe kirew na ye dia compare other countries. There was this publication I got that really caught my eye. It really caught my eye. Good, any? Okay. 2023 unemployment rate. As we speak, 4.8% in. Okay. He commissioned Komenda Sugar Factory. And see Chile Cubu, door to Bakupo, every Komenda Sugar Factory, my young friend Nikuku. Me pacho who Komenda Sugar Factory or Sebe on the market ana. Me pacho who yana Debbie. Because they chopped the money, did the media skirmish, paid Captain Smart and his people to come and lie to Ghanaians. And we lost money. Ghana lost 36 million. I want you to watch this video, and after, I'll add my comments to it. And we go to that lion boy called Sami Genfi. Let's do this.
The Minister of Trade and Industry, Spio Garbrah, has attributed the close down of the sugar factory to lack of power supply from the Electricity Company of Ghana.
According to the minister, 2009, 1999, and ye chen kani about Wallace and a chen kani about Krumo. About ratification, me to chama Rollins radio pa. Name a quite pa. See, baby Baconyaso. Within a space of 6-7 years, why are quite a baby and people, why you quite doing what ye? And so still yet to come here, back to about 2016 elections. Former President Mama could now Western region said, going Ghana coin now. What I'm posting and now Echo Western region no and that. Because a coin no yellow, Nana don't go for a who, and was say, Nana no more Western region said, a coin now, I'm coin in tea, Nana don't go for the bar. One of my mom, I said, Nana can what? A coin, a what basket, oh Ghana. Shakonya MPP for you come Henry. Among for Sukai. Kojama North Goa. Ko Adanse. Kopiamo Chemako Chema. Nako Kwabre. Komosumi from home. Nako other areas are quiet still. And for the Juma by Naman for Gusu. A Juma Abawaya, a Juma, a was really papa. You may catch a gun of when I say Pabaya in terms of roads, MPP Abamaya, what it says, yes, I 11,000 kilometers of roads. MPP and this